Dr. K. Venkateshwar Rao, interventional cardiologist from Dhanamurthy Heart Hospital, Ongole. So, in view of World Heart Day, for the knowledge of the public sake, so first of all, the main important knowledge sake for the public is what is heart attack. So, heart attack is defined as if there is a formation of clot or any thrombus or any obstruction to the blood flow in coronary arteries, so it is defined as a heart attack. So how do we prevent this heart attack? So for the prevention of heart attack, so first of all you have to reduce the risk factors. So what are the risk factors? Risk factors are mainly stress. Stress is the major risk factor for heart attack. Second, some modifiable risk factors and non-modifiable risk factors like diabetes, hypertension, dyslipidemia. These are all the high risk factors for occurrence of heart attack. If we try to regulate and control blood sugars initially, we can able to reduce the risk of heart attack in case of diabetic patients. And in hypertensive individuals, if we control blood pressures initially and you have to control regular checkup of blood pressure, we can able to control the level of blood pressure levels, and further we can prevent the occurrence of heart attack. And in case of dyslipidemia, if we monitor our daily cholesterol levels, blood cholesterol levels, we can able to control the cholesterol levels. If there is a higher levels in cholesterol levels, initially you have to go for statin therapy or whatever the lipid lowering therapy, and by this way we can able to control the blood cholesterol levels. And these are the main risk factors. The other risk factors like smoking, alcohol and sedentary lifestyle, mainly in case of computer like software professionals, and in case of some workers who is working in continuously in shops and like the sedentary lifestyle. This is also one of the main important causative for occurrence of risk factors and also for heart attack. So we have to reduce this, mainly smoking and alcohol and sedentary lifestyle. And the first and the last thing is stress, which is very important, and because this stress is the main causative factor for heart attack irrespective of the age. Someone will ask us, sir, that the patient is around 20 years, how can he or she able to cause for that heart attack? Stress, simple stress may be the cause factor for heart attack, because this stress can lead to coronary spasm. This coronary spasm can lead to the obstruction of the blood flow, further causing the heart attack. So stress. So the main thing is for the reduction of stress, please go for exercise and other stress reducing factors like yoga and some lifestyle medications and other activities like yoga. These are the ways. It is individual based, so stress can be reduced by individual bias. So this is the best way for controlling stress. And from my point of view, on this occasion of World Heart Day, so kindly reduce stress. Why? Because in this COVID-19 pandemic also, the public are in stress because of some financial constraints or health constraints, whatever it may be. Kindly reduce stress as much as possible to prevent the occurrence of heart attack. Thank you. Good day.